for butterfly, quick on his feet. C is for cupcake, a tasty treat. D is for dragon, dancing to the beat. E is for echo, bouncing around. F is for forest, where wonders are found. G is for giant, who's kind but loud. H is for horizon, stretching proud. Sing the ABC through with me. Learning letters sets us free. From A to Z, it's pure harmony. Let's sing the rhythm joyfully. I is for igloo, icy and white. J is for jungle, wild with height. K is for kite, soaring in flight. L is for lantern, shining bright. M is for mountain, tall and grand. N is for narwhal in the icy land. O is for owl, wise and neat. P is for peacock with feathers discreet. Sing the ABC